my lovelies. Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Jakara. And I have a big secret behind this door. But in order to unveil the secret, I'm going to have to move all this stuff in front of it. So let me start doing that. Okay, before I open this door, let me explain. This door has been sealed for several years because this closet, because this is a bedroom that I'm in, it is my studio, my art studio and everything. But I sealed this door off because when we were having leaking from the roof, the leaks would have destroyed the walls inside this closet. I also had some destroyed walls in my bathroom too, because the leak was coming in the general area where this closet and the bathroom kind of meet. But we've repaired the roof, so the leaks are gone. But I never went back in here to assess what I need to do to kind of fix this closet up. It is one of two closets that I have never touched in this apartment. And I think it's about time to get it together. You'll understand once I open this door. So let me open the door. Okay, the moment of truth. Ooh, it's embarrassing. Oh my gosh. Oh, what a mess. What an utter disgusting mess. See how the plaster has come off the walls. There's probably some mold in there. It's just utter grossness. But obviously I have something stored down in there. Get back, kitty. Get back, kitty. No, baby. Anyway. So, yeah. This has to be cleaned out and fixed up. At one point, it was a great place for storage and stuff. Even look at the handle. It's all ruined. This is from the moisture from the drip that was coming from the roof, the leak. Even the door, you can kind of see is warped here. So, yeah, that has to come. All this stuff has to come out, and I have to redo these walls. And you can even see like my white coat from when I was a medical student in here. So that should tell you that was a long time ago. So anyway, that is what I'm dealing with. I am going to be working on this closet for the next few weeks. I'm going to have to take it slow. it's, like I said, it's got mold and all this kind of stuff in it. So I'm going to have to get the proper equipment so that I can go in there and remove all these things, clean it out, and redo it and put new drywall, all that kind of stuff in there. So this is just a brief introduction to what I'm going to be doing in this series. I wish I could, get started on this right away, but like I said, I need to get the proper equipment, respirator, mask, all that stuff. So anyway, I'm going to close the door for now. And yeah, we will get. So that's going to be the project for the next few weeks. I am going into my 15th year of having this YouTube channel, and I feel like things need to change a little bit. Not totally, but just there will be a few changes. I'm still thinking about how I want to, navigate these changes. So I will let you know as soon as I know. Yeah, 15 years is a long time to run a channel. And there are also some physical limitations that I have to start considering. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to keep it short. I know this is a short video, but I wanted to show you what I will be getting into. So if you're interested in seeing me remodel and renovate this closet so that it can actually be a working space that I can use to store some of my art supplies and things, then just keep watching out for my videos. I will try to keep up the bi-weekly schedule. It just depends on how things go. And that's the other thing I wanted to address, is that I am going to take less pressure off myself to produce a lot of content. I mean, I'm already down to just 2 videos a month, but if things need to be, delayed, or, if I need to have more time on a project, I'm going to give myself more time and not stress so much. So anyway, I hope you come back to see this series of this closet. Like I said, it's one of 2 closets that have never been touched in this apartment to be renovated. And I think it's high time we address it. Anyway, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. I hope you come back to see how this turns out. And I will see you in the next one. Until I see you next time, take care.